Early every morning, while the mist is still slowly fading away, people down below are already busy, preparing breakfast and getting ready for a new day. Down there are the beautiful terraced rice fields, with winding streams flowing through, the landscape like giant snakes. The rice terraces rise step by step, level by level, up the mountain slopes, while the farmers begin making their way out to the fields. Here, people don't use machines to harvest the rice. People do it by hand. The terrain here is very steep, so farming machines are heavy and difficult to transport. Instead, Hmong farmers in Mu Cang Chai mainly harvest the rice using simple, traditional tools. People use a sickle to cut the rice. Farmers use a traditional wood basket called a pang thong to separate the grains from the stalks. People here don't use machines for threshing. Everything is done by hand, using these simple traditional tools. After harvesting the rice, bringing the grain back home is another major challenge. No roads for trucks to reach the fields, and even motorbikes often cannot get close enough to transport the rice. Instead, local people carry the rice home on their backs using simple, traditional carrying tools. On average, a man can carry around 40-45 kilograms, while a woman can carry about 35-40 kilograms. Life here is truly difficult and demanding, yet with their strong will, resilience, and determination to survive, the Hmong people have overcome these challenges for more than a century and continue to do so today. This is the simple, hardworking, and deeply proud life of the Hmong people of Mu Cang Chai.